So when he says, I don't mind what happens, minding is resisting what is. So let go of that minding. Not minding is this non-resistance, non-reactive. So in summary, I would say, one, let what's in the way become the source of our inspiration. What's in the way become the source of our inspiration. I think the saying in English is grist for the mill. I don't know exactly what that means, but I think it means what I'm saying. Yeah. We see our obstacles as our doorways to our higher self. Two, deepen our self-understanding. A spiritual diary can help, but sometimes examine life where there's very honest reflection about who we are, what we are. And the third is soften our reaction by accepting what is rather than insisting it should be different.
Say that last one again.
Okay.
I think it's worth repeating.
Soften our reactions by accepting what is rather than insisting it should be different.
Yeah.